I'll be right back for it, I promise.
Boy, I just ran 100 miles per hour, boy. What are you doing? So we're getting ready to pick up these drums here. We need to put cones in their place.
Just injured there. Look at Africa.
Highway 169. There's our window. I just ran 100 miles per hour, boy. Look at my man's big kicking it over there. Not even trying to come across. So this is traffic on 169, roughly about 7 o'clock. What are you doing? Out of towners, am I right?
We do kind of got to wrap these radiuses and stuff. So I'd be like this next one, put 2 out.
I'll be right back for it, I promise.
That's fine, you're fine. Don't worry about it. I'm just walking around talking on the phone.
We're gonna turn it. They're adding another bike lane.
Oh, that's great.
They're taking it the rest of the way down the southwest.
Absolutely. But what we need is a homeless lane.
Yeah.
That's what we'll do.
Yeah. Exactly right.
Here we go.
Another bike lane.
Yep. There you go.
Well, there's more bikers out here, especially the pretty ones.
Yeah. That's all there is.
Don't worry, I'll get a bike sooner or later. Watch it, baby.